Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Spotting Trip Vlogs, where today we are going to be filming the behind the scenes of a Bristol and Wiltshire trip. So today we're going to be filming at Parson Street, Keynsham, Oldfield Park and Pewsey. All four of these stations are stations that were missed off in previous trips for whatever reasons. So I've decided to come back and fill them all in and get them all done. So yeah, that's the plan for today. First thing we're going to do is we are going to get the 0817 Great Western Railway service from Weston-super-Mare to Severn Beach. And we're going to take that to Parson Street, calling it Yatton and Nelson-Backwell. So yeah. The next time you will see me is when that train is arriving into my local station here at Gwyrell. Catch you guys in a minute. Arriving in now is the 0817 Great Western Railway service from Weston-super-Mare to Severn Beach, which is going to be the train taking me to Parson Street. And I did also forget to mention in the intro that this is the first week that the GWR summer timetable is in effect. So you'll be seeing that in this video, as there's been a fair few changes. And this one is 166217, and I will update you guys as we depart out Gwyrell.
The next station
And we are now
Yatton.
Gwyrell.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Severn Beach.
And we are now arriving into Yatton. And it looks like this train's getting quite busy, so if I can't film the calling points, I do apologise, guys. And we are now departing Nelson-Backwell. Apologies we couldn't film the departure from Yatton and the arrival into Nelson-Backwell, but that was due to a load of school kids getting on the train at Yatton, which made it absolutely rammed. So I do apologise about that, guys. And next stop will be Parson Street, where I will be alighting from this train. And we are now arriving at Parson Street. Departing now is the 0838 Great Western Railway service from Weston-super-Mare to Severn Beach. Alright guys, so we are now here at Parson Street. So I am now going to go and film the train spotting at Parson Street video, and I will catch you guys when that is finished. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so I have now finished filming the video at Parson Street. It's a pretty decent station. I'll probably rate it like 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. The passes are nice. They come through at a nice speed. So now we are going to get the 1037 Great Western Railway service from Weston-super-Mare to Severn Beach, and we're going to be taking that to Bristol Temple Meads. And from there we're going to change on to the 1102 service bound for Westbury, and that's going to take us to Keynsham, which is the next station we will be filming at. So I will catch you guys when the 10:37 is arriving in. Arriving in now is the delayed 10:37 Great Western Railway service from Weston-super-Mare to Severn Beach. And this train is running about 5 minutes late. And it is 166205, which is a refurbished unit. And this is going to be taking me to Bristol Temple Meads. So I'll update you guys as we depart out.
The next
And we are now departing Parson Street.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Severn Beach.
And we are now arriving at Bedminster. And we are now departing Bedminster.
Bristol Temple Meads. This is a Great Western Railway service to Severn Beach.
There was a Class 220 going past there, didn't quite catch the number of it. Pretty sure that was going to Plymouth. And we are now arriving into Bristol Temple Meads. And this is where I will change. And I'm going to change on to the 11:03 service towards Westbury. And that is going to take me to Keynsham. There's 221129 sitting there, probably following a service over to Manchester Piccadilly. And I will update you guys when we get over to platform 9 where my service to Keynsham awaits. Arriving now is 166201, which is going to be forming the 11:03 Great Western Railway service, starting here at Bristol Temple Meads going to Westbury. And this is going to take me to Keynsham. Train was cancelled between Gloucester and here at Bristol Temple Meads due to a fault on the train. So I will update you guys as we depart out of Bristol Temple Meads. And we are now departing Bristol Temple Meads. And we have 800 304 over there. Going to be forming a service to London Paddington, starting here at Bristol Temple Meads.
Yeah, because George and James were sharing that we were renting a place and their girlfriends lived with each other. So basically, Meg swapped with George and
And we are now arriving at Keynsham. Departing out now is the 11:11 Great Western Railway service from Bristol Temple Meads to Westbury. Alright guys, so here we are at Keynsham. So yeah, here we are at Keynsham, and now I'm going to go and film the video, and I will see you guys when that is done. Alright guys, so I've now finished filming the video here at Keynsham. Didn't spend too long here at Keynsham, only an hour, because we need to get on to the next station. And that's how the plan works, just so we can fit in Pewsey at the end of the day. So Pewsey gets quite a limited service for trains stopping there. A lot of stuff passed through there, but not much stops there. So that's why it's been done like that. And now we are going to get the 12:11 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth, and we're going to be taking that to the next station, which is Oldfield Park. And the plan when we get to Oldfield Park is just going to go and get some lunch quickly, and then head back to the station, and I will start filming the video at Oldfield Park. So yeah, I will see you guys when my train is arriving in. Arriving in now is the 12:11 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. And it is 166203. And we are now departing Keynsham.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weymouth.
And we are now arriving at Oldfield Park. And departing out there is 166203 on the 12:18 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. Oh, and departing out here is 158767, heading off to somewhere. Bristol Temple Meads, so that's probably from Salisbury then. And I'm now here at Oldfield Park, so the plan is to go and get some lunch, then film the train spotting out video here, and once I've done all that I will come back and update you guys, so see you all later. Alright guys, so a quick update here. So the trip has kind of gone to pot a little bit. So this train has been sat here for like 20 minutes. It's not moving anywhere. Something's happened on the line towards Bristol out of here. I can't find out what it is. And everything's been delayed, and now my train out of here has been delayed, which means I might miss the connection to Pewsey, which will put me 2 hours late. There's only a train stopping at Pewsey every 2 hours. But when I get on the train, I'm going to speak to the guard and see if they'll help the connection, because I don't want to be 2 hours late. Hopefully everything will all work out fine. But yeah, I shall next update you guys when my train is arriving in. Alright guys, so I'm just going to update you all here. So that the reason why everything has been delayed is because there has been a fire on the tracks between here and Bristol Temple Meads. So obviously until that is dealt with, nothing can move. So obviously my train was meant to be at 14:18, so I'm now running, what's that, about half an hour late. But it could be a long time. But yeah, hopefully we can make it to Pewsey and get it all done in the end. Because it'd be really annoying to miss out that station again for a second time. Because this has already happened once where I couldn't film Pewsey. And I'll come back to try and do it again, and this has happened. But yeah, hopefully it all will be alright. And finally arriving in now. Yes, it is. The 14:18 Great Western Railway service in Gloucester to Weymouth has finally arrived in. It's running about 7 minutes late, 68 minutes late. And hopefully this is going to take me to Westbury, so I will update you guys when we depart out. And we are finally departing Oldfield Park after a 1 hour 20-minute wait. Hopefully this train is going to take me to Westbury. I should keep you guys updated as we go along. Next stop will be Bath Spa. And we are now arriving at Bath Spa. Well, I have a funny feeling this train is going to get absolutely rammed because it's the first one that's come through and schools have just finished. So hopefully I'll be able to film stations from here, but if I can't, then I will see you at some point. And we are now departing Bath Spa. Next stop, I believe, is Bradford on Avon. And we are now arriving at Bradford on Avon. Apology for the late start on the clip there, guys, because there was no announcement of us arriving in, so I wasn't 100% sure when we were. But yeah, there's Bradford on Avon. I'll see you guys when we depart out. And we are now departing Bradford on Avon. Next stop is Trowbridge. And we are now arriving at Trowbridge. I think we have a 166 here. See what that is when we depart out. And we are now departing Trowbridge, and I can confirm that 166 was 166212. Not sure where it was going now.
Yeah, it's a fire.
And the next stop will be Westbury. And we are now arriving at Westbury. This is where I will change for a train to Pewsey. And the platform's on the other side. Well, that's alright. So I will update you guys very shortly. Departing out now is the severely delayed 1450 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. And that train is running about 80 minutes late. So it's quite severely delayed on that one. So now I just need to wait for the next. Just gotta wait for the next train to Pewsey, which is going to be, I believe, the 1646, which is in about half an hour. So I shall update you guys when that train is arriving in. Arriving in now is the delayed 1646 Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's to London Paddington. And this train is running about 12 minutes late. And this is going to be the one taking me to Pewsey. And I'm going to be getting into Pewsey 2 hours late, which does mean I will get a full refund on my tickets. And the front is 802017. And I can't quite get the rear, so we will get it when it departs Pewsey. And we are now departing Westbury. The station is on the other side of the train, but unfortunately we can't see that. I'm going to be on this train now for about 20 minutes before we get to Pewsey. And Pewsey will be the next stop. So I will see you guys in a bit. And we are now arriving at Pewsey. And departing out now is the delayed 1702 Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's to London Paddington. This train running about 14 minutes late. And the rear is 802006. Okay guys, and welcome to Pewsey. We haven't got here, we are 2 hours late, but we're here. So now I am going to go and film the train spotting out video for Pewsey. And then I shall see you guys once that is done. Alright guys, so that is the video from Pewsey all done. That means we have officially filmed all 4 stations. I actually quite enjoyed my time here at Pewsey, although the gaps between the trains were quite large at times. I mean, I know the service disruption wouldn't have helped, but yeah. And now we got the challenge of trying to get back to Wirral with all of these disruptions, and my train is already 22 minutes late, so it's off to a great start. So the next time I will see you all is when my train is arriving in, which is meant to be the 1925 Great Western Railway service to Frome. But I will update you guys shortly. Arriving in now is the delayed 1925 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Westbury. This train has been cancelled between Westbury and Frome due to it being delayed. And speaking of the delay, it is running 23 minutes late. And this is going to be the train taking me over to Westbury. Just like in the previous video, I've done all the calling points, so I'm only going to do arriving and departing into the stations that I'm going to be changing out or getting on and off at. And I have 800 306 for this journey. So I will catch you guys as we depart out. And we are now departing Pewsey. And we are now arriving at Westbury. And now the plan is we're going to change here at Westbury on to the 2013 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central, and we're going to take that over to Bath Spa. That's going to be the next leg of this journey. To be fair, from here I should be alright and not have too many delays on the rest of this journey. So, next time I'll see you guys is when my train at Bath is arriving into here at Westbury. Arriving in now is the 2013 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central, which is going to be the train taking me to Bath Spa. And this one is 158798. So I'll see you guys when it departs out. And we are now departing Westbury.
The next station is Trowbridge. This is a Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. These services are cancelled all GWR trains and stations on the 21st of May. From this date, you may be refused travel if you attempt to bring it.
And we are now arriving into Bath Spa. And this is where I will alight from this service. So I shall see you guys when this train is departing out of Bath Spa. And departing out now is the 2039 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. And this train is running about 6 minutes late.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 2049 Great Western.
Alright guys, so I'm now here at Bath Spa. Actually for the first time today, surprisingly, even though we've been around Bath all day. And now I'm just going to go and grab some dinner quickly in Bath, and then I'll come back to the station. And I will get a train from here down to Wirral. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so arriving in now is the 2154 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Weston-super-Mare, which is going to be my train taking me to Wirral. Front is 802022. And we will get the rear when we arrive into Wirral. So I will see you guys when we are departing out of Bath Spa. And we are now departing Bath Spa. And we are now arriving into Wirral. Departing gate announced the 2242 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Weston-super-Mare. And the front was 802022 and the rear was 802011. So yes, we have made it back here to Whirl, eventually. Just here 3 hours later than I should have been due to the problems at Oldfield Park earlier today and getting down towards Pewsey. Maybe 3 hours late in the end. But because of that, I will get full refund on today's tickets, which is excellent stuff. And with that, I'm going to finish the video here. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. And next trip is going to be a 3-part series where I visit Scotland around Inverness and Aberdeen in about 3 weeks' time, so look out for that one. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.